Remedies for headache. Headache are a common condition that many people deal with on a daily basis. Several types of headache exist, with tension headache being the most common. Cluster headache are painful, while migraine are moderate to severe type of headache. Multiple remedies can get rid of a headache. Ways to stop a headache. Although many medication can be used to treat headache symptom, a number of effective natural treatments also exist. Causes of headache: lack of sleep, dehydration, caffeine withdrawal, alcohol use, nutrient deficiency, and undereating. Natural remedies for headache. Drinking water. Drinking enough water may help prevent headache or reduce their severity. Dehydration can be an underlying cause of many simple headache. It may also alter how a person feel, act, and think. Water may help make someone in this condition feel better. Staying hydrated may be as simple as carrying and sipping a water bottle throughout the day. Eating food high in liquid, such as fruits, smoothies, or soup, may also improve hydration. Cold compress. A cold compress may be a simple headache solution that many people have on hand. Applying an ice pack to the head or neck may help constrict the blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Doing so could temporarily relieve headache pain. Warm compress. In other cases, such as a tension headache where the muscles are too tight, a warm compress may help relax these muscles and bring relief. A warm compress could be as simple as a heated towel. Try some herbal tea. Herbal tea may be a useful way to add water to diet while enjoying the benefits of other natural compounds. Ginger tea may help with a migraine. Sleep. Different issues may lead to headache, and sleep problems are among the more common one. Getting too much or too little sleep deprivation can be detrimental to your health in many ways, may even causes headache in some people. Avoid strong smell. Strong odor like those from perfume and cleaning product can cause certain individual to develop headache. This hypersensitivity to odor is called osmophobia and is common in those with chronic migraine. Turn down the light. Some people who get headache become sensitive to light. Bring office light or even a smartphone light may worsen symptoms. It may help to rest in a dark or dimly lit room while recovery from a headache. There are many other ways to help reduce headache frequency, duration, and severity. But if you are experiencing frequent headache or a lasting severe headache, it's critical that you seek medical care. Be healthy, be productive.